What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson. Today we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to be going over some key moving averages. We're going to be looking at the price structure of the formation that we're in right now. And we're going to be looking at the key areas that we need to look for major breakouts or major breakdowns. Now, before we get started, you got to click that link below to check out the CryptoWatch platform. It is the best platform for managing your entire crypto portfolio all from one place. So click that link below and check out the platform. Now let's get started with the Bitcoin analysis. So right now I'm looking at the price of Bitcoin from the beginning of 2019, and also I have the end of 2019 marked up to discuss a little bit about what might happen towards the end of the year here. So overall, Bitcoin has performed extremely well this year. From the lowest point of the chart to the highest point on the chart, Bitcoin has saw 340% gains going from the beginning of the year to where we are now. We've seen over 100% gains. So overall, Bitcoin has performed extremely well this year. So if you've been involved in Bitcoin since the beginning of the year, well, you're doing pretty well right now. But right now, the price of Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of downside, and people are starting to get worried about the price of Bitcoin. Generally, what we see Bitcoin do is create parabolic advances during bull markets, or at least, during the beginning of bull markets. Bitcoin does create these parabolic advancements, and, we see this continuously during Bitcoin bull markets. And right now, Bitcoin could be forming a parabolic advance. Now, the only factor that we need to look out for here is, holding support above the 618 golden retrace. And this line that I have marked up on the chart is the golden retrace. If you go from swing low to swing high, the golden retrace is coming in at $7,200 right now. So it's already mid-October, the end of the year is coming up, and we're going to discuss a couple scenarios here of what we can expect going into the end of the year. If Bitcoin is going to get a standard retracement to the golden retrace in a rebound for a continued bull market, what we need to see right now is a quick recovery, and by the end of the year, we could be sitting at prices at about $12,000 by the end of the year for our more bullish targets. If we are going to get a quick recovery, I would say about 12,000 is actually quite likely by the end of the year. That is if we do get a quick recovery from these prices. Now, if we can't hold above 7,200, the golden retrace, then very likely at that point, we would actually be sitting at prices closer to $5,400 by the end of the year. You guys, I don't think Bitcoin's just going to be trading sideways going into the end of the year here. I think we're going to be either making a quick recovery or a strong pullback here. Personally right now, I think it's quite possible that the bullish case is still intact and that we actually do have a recovery ahead of us for a continued bull market here in the price of Bitcoin. I'm still holding bullish on Bitcoin right now, but if we do, of course, range below the golden retrace and we fall below the 100 EMA and the 50 simple on the weekly chart, then we're going to be looking for, possibly $5,400 by the end of the year. Really what we need to look for right now is, these current lows. If we can hold above these current lows, that is very bullish, that is very good, and we could have a quick recovery ahead of us. If we do pull back to the golden retrace here at 7,200, we are still in bullish territory, right? We could still get a recovery from that point. But if we do break below the golden retrace at 7,200 and we break below the 100 EMA and the 50 simple, on the weekly chart, I would say we're looking for, possibly $5,400 by the end of the year, potentially retracing to the 786. So personally, I am still leaning bullish. And if we do end the year on a good note, I would say we were likely going to be up towards the $12,000 level. If we end the year on a bad note, this would actually be a first time for Bitcoin that we break below the golden retrace out of a bear market. And we would be headed for prices possibly around $5,400 and getting a potential multi-year long sideways consolidation before any type of bull market, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and guys, click that link below to create a free account on the CryptoWatch platform, and I will see you all in the next video.